So that's Laurie, our host and husband, and really nice hosts. We really enjoyed staying over here. Thank you guys.
Good. George, ball!
नहीं होने देंगे.
You won't give it because...
Hey! George!
Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of PB Crazy for Food. So it's a Canada Day long weekend, and we booked this vacation in little town of Seguin, and this is Georgian Bay Marina. They have this beautiful cottage which is behind me. I will show you around and also show you around the area. It's a bay. They have power boats over here, and it's a beautiful place. Beautiful place. Nice getaway for a long weekend, for a out of town, chilled environment, laid back, just relax and enjoy. So this is our cabin, cozy cabin, Georgian Bay. So this is how this cottage looks like. This is your full kitchen over here, breakfast counter. They have coffee machines. Everything has been provided. Water dispenser. This is your queen bed size, and that is also sofa cum bed. That's the AC and heating. They do have Netflix and other channels. That over here, there is washroom, and it's a really nice, quiet, cozy place. And these are the views you get while sitting it down over here. And they have two beautiful dogs. Two beautiful dogs they have over here, and they like to play fetch. Go, Ben. So we're very close to our location where we are staying. They have this West Parry Sound District Museum, and there is a fire lookout tower where we're gonna go, and they have some old farming machines. This is pretty big. I have no idea what it was used for and what's the exact name, but yeah, looks impressive. So that is the fire lookout tower, and we're gonna climb that all the way to top. Let's go. So let's go, guys, and climb this fire lookout tower. So we are at the top of the lookout tower, and you can see whole Seguin from here. So this is Parry Sound's or Seguin, you can say, harbor front. So I saw this place. It's called Glenn Burney Smashburgers. So they serve smash burgers, poutine, and they have over here smoke shop also, like for ribs and fish and chips. I have ordered a large poutine and a small poutine from them. So let's see how it tastes like. Here we go. So our fries are not the fries. This is poutine with cheese curd and brown sauce. That's the large. This is the small. So let's dig in. Here we go, guys. That's Smash Burgers poutine. So let's try. Is this any kind of like premium thing? Poutine you just have to eat, as soon as it comes, because you give more time, the fries gonna get soggy. And this is a comfort food whenever it is, rainy outside or snowing outside, man. This poutine is a comfort food. So we are done with poutine, and I would rate their poutine for the small town of Parry Sound. I would rate 7 out of 10. That's what I would rate.
Yeah, it's all there. There's even one for the back. But the side curtains are all ripped. Like there's missing some.
So this is the property where we are living. Well, not in this one. This is the business name Georgian Bay Marina. And it's a very beautiful, beautiful property. Big trees, clean, nice, fresh air. That's the cottage where we are living. And it's nice, really nice. The host, Lori, is really, really nice. So right now we are in small town of Magnete 1, and this is the site for their lock system.
This means we need something to do later. I know how to get most. Guys, I'm gonna head back to
And this everything is displayed in this small museum over here. It's free of cost. You can come and see the history of the region. They have displayed it very well.
Have a good day.
And this is the history of Magnet One lock. So we are here and this is a park called Screaming Heads. So you see all these heads basically made by this artist. They're all screaming. It's pretty far. It's a long drive and very deserted place. And the entrance, once you park your car, you have to walk in this jungle and then see this whole art, the screaming heads. So it's a small artist, thing that artists people they do, but it's nice. It's you come so far to see this screaming heads, and it's nice, peaceful, very quiet place, very quiet. So this is another same site. You come over here. These are domes that have been built by the artists, but yeah, no climbing. Here you will see all these pillars with same screaming theme, but this is like what exactly artists made. I have no clue about that. So it's evening time, time to do barbecue. So this is paneer cubes. Here we have our paneer getting barbecued. Nice weather, just enjoying the barbecue time. Okay, so our paneer tikka is ready. Goes with some avocado sauce. And here we go. Spicy. Tandoori chicken is on the grill. And my beer is also getting chilled. And it's a beautiful, beautiful weather, even though if it's overcast, but the whole scene is so beautiful. So guys, chicken is done, beer is ready, and it's sun is out, nice weather, sky is now getting cleared. We're gonna have a beautiful sunset. Hope it remains clear. Cheers. Let's open up the beer. Cheers to you guys. And now it's chicken time. So guys, this is First Nation Reserve area, and this bridge connects to that island, which is the First Nation. And that is the place where we are coming from, like walking all the way across from there to here. So just see the beautiful sunset. Sun is going down, and just hear the silence and the sounds of animals and birds. Looks so beautiful. So this is our last day in this cottage, and it's raining, it's overcast, it's windy, the air is blowing, and just listen to the sound of nature. So after a heavy storm, this is our last night at Georgian Bay Marina in Parry Sound. The sun is still not down properly. It's 10:20 p.m. right now. So by 11 o'clock it should be fully dark, and then we can see the stars. Morning, people. And this is your morning, people, and this is your view. They have two beautiful dogs over here. This is Bay over here, and he is Georgian. So Georgian, and the other one I showed is Bay. Georgian and Bay. So when you come to this facility, you will be greeted with two beautiful dogs. Loving, beautiful dogs. So had a really good experience living at this cozy cabin in Georgian Bay Marina. I would highly recommend for a small family couple. Definitely come and check out this place. Really good spot. If you want to relax, want to find nice quiet place, and a beautiful place. This is the place to be. It's a really, the host is really nice. Lori, she's very helpful, and the whole experience living it over here with the dogs and the whole environment, it is so relaxing. So that was the video, guys. Thanks for watching PV Crazy for Food. See you in next food vlog. Take care. Bye.